Hi everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to show a simple way to step down voltage using linear regulators. We're using three popular voltage regulators, 7812, 7809, and 7805. Each regulator's output feeds the next one. The bridge converts AC to DC. The capacitor reduces ripples. Then 7812 outputs 12 volts, 7809 outputs 9 volts, 7805 outputs 5 volts. This cascade setup gives multiple voltage levels from a single input. Each linear regulator drops voltage by dissipating heat, so make sure to use a heatsink if your load draws high current. Voltage ripple at the input affects output stability. A bigger capacitor or a filter can help. Linear regulators waste energy as heat, especially if input voltage is much higher than output. Not efficient for high current loads. Ripple at the input may pass to output if capacitor is too small. No short circuit protection beyond the regulator's internal limit. This setup is simple and easy for low power projects. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more electronics tips.